So big goals sound exciting, but the truth is, your life changes in the small moments. Today I'm sharing 5 micro habits, each backed by science, that can completely shift your mood, focus, and even your future. Habit number 1. 2 minutes of morning sunlight. Step outside for just 2 minutes in the morning. Research from Stanford shows that morning sunlight helps set your circadian rhythm, it boosts your energy, and improves your sleep at night. It's like hitting the reset button on your body clock. Habit number 2. Write down one gratitude. Instead of journaling for 30 minutes, just write down one thing that you're grateful for. Studies from UC Davis found that consistent gratitude practice boosts long-term happiness and lowers stress hormones. Habit number 3, the 60-second rule. Whenever you think of a task that takes less than a minute, like putting away a dish, sending a quick reply, or filing a paper, do it right away. This small habit reduces mental clutter and it prevents procrastination. Psychologists call it behavioral activation, and it's proven to reduce overwhelm. Habit number 4, box breathing for stress. 4 seconds in, 4 hold, 4 out, and 4 hold. That's one cycle of box breathing, and Navy SEALs use it to stay calm under pressure. Research shows it lowers cortisol and improves focus in just a few minutes. Habit number 5, the one more rule. When you're exercising, reading, or even working, do just one more rep, page, or minute. Psychologists call this successive approximation, and it rewires your brain to see yourself as someone who doesn't quit easily. None of these take more than a few minutes, but if you practice them consistently, the compound effect is huge. Which micro habit are you starting today? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.